In this video, I'll show you how to stay updated and in control with smart app notifications. Your home should tell you when something important happens, not flood you with noise. Get instant alerts if someone operates a device in home lock mode, if a device goes offline, or when someone gets access to your home. You also get updates when your automations run, so you always know what's happening, even when you're away. And for critical alerts like intrusion or voltage issues, you can receive them on WhatsApp, so you never miss what truly matters. Now, I'll show you how to set up alert preferences. Open the Home Automation app. Go to Settings tab on your profile, top right corner. Select Preferences. Choose the alerts you want to receive: Home Management, Security, Device Management, Automations, Support and System, Workflow Triggered. Tap Save Preferences, that's it. Stay informed without the noise, alerts that actually matter. Thank you.